In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix customer payment errors in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes a customer payment gets applied to the wrong customer or the wrong account, and it can throw off your account's receivable reports. Instead of deleting or forcing changes that might break your records, we're going to walk through a clean way to correct that error using a journal entry and a receive payment transaction. First, in QuickBooks Online, go to the plus new button at the top of your screen. From the menu that appears, choose Journal Entry. This is where we'll move the payment from the incorrect customer to the correct one without changing the actual payment amount. On the first line of your journal entry, click into the account field and select Accounts Receivable. This tells QuickBooks that this line relates to money owed from a customer. In the debit column, enter the exact amount of the payment that was applied incorrectly. Then, in the name field for that same line, choose the customer that the payment was originally applied to by mistake. This step essentially removes the payment from that incorrect customer's balance. Next, go to the second line of the same journal entry. Again, choose Accounts Receivable as the account. This time, enter the same payment amount, but in the credit column. In the name field for this second line, select the correct customer who should have received the payment. Now you're moving the payment balance over to the right customer while keeping your total accounts receivable the same. Before you move on, double-check that the debit and credit amounts match and that you've chosen the right customers on each line. When everything looks correct, select Save and Close. That journal entry has now created a credit that you can apply to the proper invoice. Next, go back to the plus new button and select Receive Payment. In the customer field, choose the correct customer, the one who actually made the payment. QuickBooks will show you their open invoices, along with any credits available from that journal entry. Find the credit that was just created and apply it to the appropriate open invoice for that customer. Make sure the amount applied matches the payment you're trying to fix. Once everything is applied correctly and the remaining balance is what you expect, save the payment. By following these steps, you've reallocated the payment from the wrong customer to the right one, keeping your accounts receivable accurate and your customer balances clean.